Are you a C# developer struggling to improve your productivity? Then this is the right course for you. Hi, I'm Dennis Panuta and I've taught programming to over 150,000 students. Often, when working on projects, we are writing long lines of code and don't even think that we could double our productivity simply using shortcuts and other powerful tools that our IDE has to offer. Well, in this course, I will teach you ways to improve your practical skills to be more adequate and incredibly fast with Visual Studio. We will cover topics such as easy navigation in Visual Studio, working with Visual Studio using mainly the keyboard, ReSharper, which is a super powerful extension, and we are going to cover a couple of other very useful extensions as well. Create your own shortcodes as well as shortcuts. So not only will you use shortcuts that are predefined, but you will create ones yourself. And code snippets is a feature that many programmers don't even know about, and they can increase your productivity twofold easily. Yes, you heard me right. I will teach you how to create your own custom shortcodes and shortcuts so that you can use them the way you like and the way that suits you best. In the end, we want to achieve maximum productivity for your future projects. This will make you a more valuable developer, and your peers will look at you like you're Neo from the Matrix. After completing this course, you will learn several ways to become proficient with your keyboard. Just started coding? Well, it doesn't matter. This course is very simple, easily understandable, and applicable for every level of programmer. By the way, if you will have any questions or something will be troubling you, our Q&A section is always there for you. We are answering questions as soon as possible and as efficiently as possible so that you have the best possible learning experience. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Well, then don't hesitate and click that enroll button now, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the course.